The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, have you prepared mango pickles? Is it tasty? Bring it to me. Children, while writing, be careful. Start with capital letter and full stop. Which is a question, put question mark also. That is very important. Okay? So children, you learned about punctuations, prepositions, articles, etc. etc. Today, let's study how to write a script for a story or a skit. Okay? Do you know what a script? A script is a written work that is done for a story. While writing a script for a story or a skit, we have to include characters, settings, events, problems and solution. Okay? This 5 steps is very important. So first one is character. Include male and female artist. Okay? Second one, settings, time, place and surroundings. Time, that means when the story takes place. We should point out the morning, evening or the time accordingly. Then second one, place, where it takes place. It is inside the room or outside. That also we should note it down. Then the surroundings. It is area around us. If we are in the school, nearby shops, like that we should write it down while writing a script. Okay children. Third one, event. That means something that happens or happened in a story. It is beginning, middle or end. That also we should note it down while writing events. Then fourth one, problem. That is very important. Yes, without problem we can't write a story. So most of the stories will have a problem. Here, missing of Raja is a problem. Okay children, now next one is solution. That is very important. How the problem is solved. Example, Raja was finally found out in the cow shed. So the problem solved here. That is very important. While writing a script, we should note this 5 steps. Okay children. Then very important one is dialogue. This is also very important while writing the script. Dialogues have to be written clearly and systematically. Properties and costumes have to be mentioned. That also we should mention while writing dialogues. The entry and exit position, movement and action of each character have to be mentioned in the script. A script should be written very clearly. Okay children? Now conclusion. Follow all these instructions while writing a script. The skit or a story, whatever you are writing, you should include this script. Okay children? Now I'll move to the next unit. Children, now we are trapped by this corona. Yes, but still we come out of it. That is, we rise. That is, we rise from here. Our thought process will make us move further. our life will progress. We'll fight and win from this situation. This is the power of human being or nature. Okay, now look at this picture. Yes, children, here the parrot, it escaped from the cage. Maybe its thought process. That's what great people say, what you think, that you become. Here, this parrot always dreamt of its freedom, and one day it happened. So children, what happened here? The parrot got free from its cage. It happened one day. Here, our next unit is Still We Race. So children, let me read that newspaper report. Just listen. Okay? 10-year-old girl dies of torture by stepmother. Lucknow. A 10-year-old girl surrendered to death at the Medical College Hospital here on Thursday on being tortured by her stepmother. According to the police, the deceased is Shalaga, daughter of Aravind, Indira Nagar, Lucknow. Shalaga was a student of class 6 of Government High School at Indira Nagar. She was admitted with serious injuries to a hospital in the city around 6 p.m. on Thursday. The doctors, who found the parents' explanation unsatisfactory, informed the police. Later, she was shifted to the Medical College Hospital, where she died around 11 p.m. Preliminary medical reports confirmed that the girl had undergone extreme physical torture, which resulted in her death. There was several marks on her body. Local residents said that they had informed Childline activist about the incident. So children, here 4 questions are there. Answer it and send it to me. So really, it's about the torture by the stepmother to a girl, which resulted in her death. Have you ever come across such incidents near your house or near your area? Children, who does all the work at home? No doubt, it's our mother. Yes? I'll read the new lesson, Cinderella. Listen, okay? Who does all the household work at home? What kind of work do you do? Imagine that you have to do all the household work alone. How will it be? Or try to think of such a girl who does all domestic work without having proper food, clothing, etc. Read the story of such a girl. Children, here we come across a girl named Cinderella who struggled a lot under the cruelty of her stepmother. Let's read the story. Okay? The Cinder Girl. Here cinder meaning a small piece of partly burnt coal or wood. കത്തിക്കരിഞ്ഞ ഒരു കൽക്കരി or woodന്റെ ഒരു കഷ്ണം. Okay children? Once upon a time there was a rich man who lived happily with his wife and daughter. One day his wife fell sick. When she felt that her end was drawing near, she called her only daughter near her and said, "Dear child, be good and pious, and God will always take care of you." Here, the story starts like this. A rich man lived happily with his wife and one daughter, and in that situation, the wife suddenly she fell sick. The mother was serious, so at that time she thought that she was going to die, that she understood that she was about to die. So she called her daughter aside and told her or advised her to be good and pious. Good, we know that. And pious, that is devotee of God. We should be good to everyone and pious to God. That's what mother advised her daughter. And also she said, I'll take care of you from heaven. That means like God, mother also, she will look after her from heaven. Then she died, that is passed away. And then she closed her eyes forever. That means mother passed away. The maiden went every day to her mother's grave and wept and remained pious and good. When winter came, the snow covered the grave with a white covering. Then the sun came in the early spring and melted it away. Soon, Cinderella's father married again. The new wife was a proud and unkind woman. In this part, the mother passed away, the maiden, that means unmarried girl. Every day she went to her mother's grave. Grave means tomb, Shavakudiram, yes, and wept. She cried, children. She was always pious and good. That's what mother advised her. So, season passed by, that is winter, summer, spring and autumn. Seasons passed by, that is 1 year was going to end. Before that, her father got married again. That lady was a proud, that means arrogant meaning here. The lady was a proud and unkind lady. We know the meaning for a proud is feeling deep pleasure of one's own achievement. But here it means arrogant. So I'll move to the second paragraph. The new wife brought her 2 daughters along with her. Though they were beautiful and fair in appearance, at heart they were wicked and ugly. And then began the evil times for the poor girl. Is the stupid creature to sit in the same room with us? Asked they. So children, that stepmother had brought 2 daughters along with her. These 2 girls were beautiful and fair, but very wicked and ugly. Wicked meaning cunning. They both were wicked and ugly. When these 2 girls came to this house, there started the evil or the bad days for this girl. They began to scold and curse her, saying that she must go for work to eat from her own home. See, is the stupid creature to sit in the same room with us? That's what they asked. That is, that home is Cinderella's home, but these ladies dominate her. Okay, those who eat food must earn it. They started misbehave, ill-treat that small girl. They took away her pretty dresses and forced her to put on an old grey one. They also gave her wooden shoes to wear. The stepsisters laughed at her and sent her to the kitchen. That is for work. So what they did, children, here? They scold and curse her, saying that she must go for work to eat from her own home, and called her a kitchen maid, that is servant. They took her pretty dresses and gave her old grey one or dirty dress. She was made to do heavy work from morning to night. Get up early in the morning, draw water, make the fire, cook and wash. In the evening she was quite tired after the day's hard work. As she had no bed to lie upon, she had to rest on the hearth among the cinders. So what happened? This poor girl started working all the household work. She was asked to do heavy work from morning till night. She became very tired because of the whole day work. This poor girl had no place to lay down, and so she took rest on the hearth. Hearth meaning the floor of the fireplace near the cinders. അടുപ്പിൻ്റെ ചുറ്റുഭാഗത്ത് തന്നെ ആ കുട്ടി ഉറങ്ങിയിരുന്നത്. She always looked dusty and dirty as she slept in the cinders. So they named her Cinderella. Because of this, she always looked dusty and dirty. She was called Cinderella because of this. Her name is Ella and she laid near that cinder. So she called as Cinderella. So children, can you understand these two paragraphs? I hope you understood this. Go through the lesson thrice or 4 times. Write the question answers and write the meanings, okay? And send it to the teachers. Bye children.